Starting with the name of the Lord, who is most gracious and most merciful. Today our topic is about one of, a number of, and a lot of. Before moving on to the topic, I request you to do subscribe my channel, likes, comment. So let's come to the point. The first one is one of. After one of, we use a singular verb. Like example is, one of the photos is missing. Now here is it a singular verb. One of my friends is in army. Now here is his singular verb. And the second one is a number of. After a number of, we normally use a plural verb. A number of questions were asked. Now here, were is plural verb. A number of guests were invited. Now here, were is plural verb. And the third one is a lot of. After a lot of, the verb agrees with the noun. Like here, every year a lot of pollution is created and a lot of trees are cut down. So I hope you have gotten today's topic. Please do subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much.